Hi, I'm Paul Muskevich. We're going to be talking about the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk Valet mode. Here we are in the 2019 Trackhawk. We're going to be going through the Valet mode that you have available on the vehicle. First off, let's talk about why you want to use Valet mode. It's basically set up to turn down the available horsepower in the vehicle. You're going to use this anytime you're going to want to turn over the vehicle to somebody that you're not familiar with, or you don't want them to have the full capability of 707 horsepower. So you're going to get to the drive mode screen either by the quick button in the center console or going to the app page and then hitting drive modes. Once you're in this default page, you're going to select Valet, select yes, and then you're going to put in your code. This code, it changes each time you use it, or it can be the same one each time you use it. In this case, we're going to use 2301. Go. It's going to give you a quick rundown of everything the vehicle's being set up for. Hit OK once again, and now you're in Valet mode. To turn off the feature, you're going to use that same code that you just created, and then you're back to full power.